Recently, I released my actual printed published book. And you know what? I got one question back from all the people that I know. By far, they were asking me the same question over and over. What was that question? How did you write a book? So today I'm going to tell you the 3 steps and one bonus step that you need to follow if you want to write your book, because you've got an amazing message and the world's waiting to hear it.
Hey dreamers, it's Jessica, the Systems Magician, and welcome to Biz Magic TV, where we turn your biz chaos into order.
Hey, it's Jessica Hansen, the Systems Magician, and you're watching Biz Magic TV, where we turn your chaos into order. Today we're talking book writing. Book writing! It's not as hard as what people want to think. Everybody thinks it's gonna be hard. Okay, so there's 1% of people, they don't think that. Those are the people that actually wrote the books. Do you want to be part of that 1%? Yes, you do. So stay with me. Make sure you subscribe. Click the little like button because this is so helpful for you. And ring the bell so you can stay up to date with all of my weekly content. Now let's jump in. That one question that everybody's asking me is, how did you write a book? By far, I've gotten this question so many times. Like, it's unbelievable how many times people have messaged me or emailed me or found me, called me, texted me. They're all like, how did you write a book? And I was like, actually, it's really simple. I have a system for that. And it's only 3 steps. All right, first step, seriously, basis for everything. Decide what you're gonna do. That's it. You need to decide your topic. So sit down, write it out. Decide what you are wanting to talk about. But it's more than just what do you want to talk about. It's also, what do you know about? What do you love? What do you want to leave your audience with? All of that comes into what is it that you are writing about. Now, step number 2, this is where the fun begins. Step number 2 is make an outline. What you're going to do is decide how many chapters are you going to write. Usually, I write about 7 or 8 chapters, plus an introduction, plus a conclusion. It doesn't have to be a lot more than that. You want to have enough content that your readers think and feel and know that you know what you're talking about and you can share it with them so they can learn something. If you have a 3-chapter book, you might want to do that as a freebie and give away the ebook to your email subscribers. Digital marketing hint for you there. So at least 7 to 8 chapters, up to as many as like 21, 50 chapters. I feel like 50 is getting a little overwhelming, but if that works for your topic and you want to break it out into really small chunks, or you're doing a 60-day program with daily content that people are following, then it makes sense. So make your outline. For each main point that you're making, for each chapter, you want to have at least 3 to 5 main subpoints that you are going to make. So you are going to take those main points, lay them all out, and then underneath, you're going to write 3 to 5 subpoints that you're going to cover within that. Are you still with me? Click the poll up here. Make sure that you tell me that you're still with me. If you're going to write a book, you got to stick this out. All right, let's keep going. So you write out those main points, you put your subpoints underneath them, and then for each subpoint, you're going to write 3 or 4 or 5-ish stories, examples, things from your own life, things that you want to share. And it sounds like a lot, but you know what? If you know your topic, this is really going to be easy. And you're already going to be done. Make sure that you go get your free download. That's going to help you. The link is in the comments. Okay, now we are going to move to step 3. Step 3, fill in the blanks. This is where you're actually going to do the writing. So you take your outline and you have all your layout. You just start filling in the blanks. When I wrote my book, I used Google Documents. You don't have to. You could use Scrivener, you could use Word, you could use whatever you want. And there's a lot of options. I've put a few more into the description go ahead, click the links. It's going to give you a wealth of options. If you are a verbal person, use Otter. Free app, totally easy. You can just talk your book through. That's it. It's not hard to write your book. Follow those 3 steps. Then when you finish, make sure you contact me because I can put you in touch with editing services and my publisher. My favorite publisher. I want to refer her out because she did an excellent job. So here we are, 3 steps. All you have to do is decide your topic, what you're going to be talking about. Remember the tips. Make sure it's something you love and something you know about. You're going to be living, breathing, dying this for the next period of weeks. All right, number 2, outline all of your chapters and the content within. It's not going to take you as long as you think. Throw in some headphones, go do it. And number 3, fill in the blanks. That's all it takes. I wrote my book, The Resilience Code, within about 2 months, and that's because I decided my personal goal was to write 1 chapter a week. You can do it faster, you can do it slower. It's all up to you. It's your book. So make sure you follow me across all social media. I am the Jessica Hansen, and click the links in the description and connect with me further.